Alright, what's going on, guys? Jay that Dream Guy. We are in my basement, and we are going to cap off a water line. So I got this water line here, and it's going out, and I want to cap it off. So I'm gonna cut it up. So I got my 3/4 inch Milwaukee pipe cutter. I got the water shut off to it right now, and then we are going to use a ProPress. I think it's a Viega cap. Yeah, Viega cap, and we're going to be testing out the Milwaukee Force Logic 1-key ProPress or press tool. I don't even know what the actual name of it is. Let's see. Because I probably should know this, right? M12 FORCE LOGIC press tool with 1 key. We're going to use the 3/4 inch attachments, but first things first, we're going to cut this. The light is a Milwaukee M12 packout light that works awesome. This is not a sponsored video. This is just showing you how it's done, how I do it, how I'm doing it. So these pipe cutters, you guys can see it's got the arrow right there, right there. Tells you which direction to go. So there's a little bit of water in this line that needs to drain out. All right. Now, what we're going to do, we're actually going to ream this pipe to clean it up a bit. Okay. Now we're going to use a little bit of sand cloth to just clean it up. I don't know if it technically you're supposed to or not. I like to. Alright, that's that. Now, you gotta be careful. That's why you're reaming. Now with these, I actually forgot to bring it down. You're supposed to mark these where they're supposed to go, but I forgot to bring it down, like I said. So with this tool here, you basically turn that up, pull it out, put the jaws in, put that in, and turn it. Then when you put it on, you open it up by pressing the jaws like that. We're running the battery that came with it. I believe this came with it. It's the red lithium CP 1.5. So that, and then we just press and hold the button there. And that's it. We're going to test it. We're going to open up that one, then open up this one down here. Nice and slow. I'm just going to go turn a valve off. I'll be right back. And that's all she wrote. So let me know what you guys think. Until next time, this has been Jay That Drain Guy signing out. Taragna.